Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is hands down the best keychain collection display you can find, the Ikee design wooden rotating two-sided jewelry display stand. Whether you're a small business owner looking to showcase your products or a collector wanting an elegant way to organize your favorite accessories, this rotating display stand is designed to impress. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its beautiful wash white finish paired with a rustic wooden style that adds a touch of sophistication to any space. Measuring 9 inches wide, 7.5 inches deep, and standing 16.5 inches tall, it's compact enough to fit on counters or tables, yet large enough to hold a substantial collection. The standout feature is its double-sided rotating design, with 16 sturdy metal hooks on each side. You get 32 hooks in total, offering ample space to hang keychains, earrings, bracelets, necklaces, and other accessories. The spinning base makes it effortless to view your entire collection without having to move the stand itself, allowing quick access and easy display from every angle. Crafted from durable wood with a matte finish, this display stand has a solid construction that balances aesthetics with functionality. The half-cross joint construction not only ensures stability but also allows the stand to be easily disassembled into flat components for storage or transport, which is great if you're taking it to craft shows or markets. This versatile organizer is perfect for a variety of settings including retail stores, trade shows, or even your personal dressing area. Its minimalist design doesn't compete with your accessories, instead, it highlights their beauty by keeping everything neat and tangle-free. One key advantage is how it maximizes vertical space without taking up too much room. Each hook is spaced thoughtfully to prevent items from overlapping or getting tangled, which can be a real headache with traditional jewelry holders. The metal hooks provide a secure hold, making sure your keychains and jewelry stay in place but are still easy to remove when needed. Although accessories aren't included, the assembly is straightforward, allowing you to get the display up and running quickly. At just under 2 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around as needed but sturdy enough to stay firmly in place. Overall, the Ikee design wooden rotating two-sided jewelry display stand is a stylish, practical solution for organizing and displaying your keychains or jewelry collection. Its elegant design, thoughtful functionality, and space-saving features make it an excellent investment for anyone looking to keep their accessories beautifully arranged and easily accessible. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're interested in upgrading your display game with this rotating jewelry stand, check the description for the link. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.